Hello everyone. Today we'll learn merging and splitting cells. Merging cells clubs two or more cells to form a single cell, and splitting divides a cell into two or more columns and rows. Both are opposite to each other. We'll see now how we can use merge and splitting option in this table. So in this table, at the last row, 6th December 2021, Saturday. Here, geography subject is there, three times repeated. So, we'll merge these subjects into the one cell. Now, here, three cells are there and we'll merge it into one cell. So, to merge it, first we'll select it. We can use shift. You can use the shift key on the keyboard, or you can use the mouse pointer to select it and go to the layout tab on the ribbon, and there is a merge cell in the merge group option. So click on the merge cell, it will be merged. Now the contents of the merge cells will be left aligned and appear below each other. We'll delete extra content from here, from the merge cell, and we align it into the center using the home tab, and here is the center aligned. Okay, sorry, click inside the cell and then click on the center align. It will be center aligned. Even you can insert the above. Suppose I'm inserting here above this table, I'm inserting the row using the layout tab, insert above, and here we can type the title of this table. We can merge it and we can type the title also. Okay, now we'll come to the splitting cell. Now as we have discussed that splitting is what, which is divide the cell into more rows and columns. Now here at the last 5th December, here English subject is given to the grade 5, and we want to we want to split this cell into one more cell. So we'll click inside this cell and we'll go to the layout, and here is the split cell option. In the same group, merge group, in the merge group, click on the split cell. Now here again, that box will ask you number of columns and number of rows in that particular cell. Okay, suppose here I want two columns and one row. Click OK button. It will split, and you can click into the another cell and you can add the subject. Okay, so this is the way you can use the split and merge cell options in a table. It's very simple. Just practice it. Don't forget to practice. Keep practicing. You can do it. The table, you can create the table and you can make your work also. So bye everyone.